My name's Andrea Swainson and I'm the Engagement and Outreach Manager of Corali Dance Company. We've been working with Jack Tizard School as part of the IM Festival, working with the theme of Feeling United. We've been playing with this idea through movement, art and play. And we're going to be sharing in this video what we've been working on during those workshops and have an invite for you to have a go at some of the stuff we've been working on in the sessions.
Hello, I'm Nick from Corali Dance Company and I'm an associate artist.
I'm DJ and I'm associate artist director for Corali.
We've been working together delivering on the United workshops with a new direction, and we thought we'd invite you to learn 4 BSL sign words with us today. So the first word is link. You bring your index finger and thumb and you link them together.
Together, yes.
This is also the same for connection. Our second word was together. So you link your thumb and finger together again, and then you pull it forwards and backwards away from your chest. This is together. Our third word was sharing. So you put one hand palm facing upwards and your other hand on top, and you gently wobble it from side to side. This is sharing. And our fourth and final word was discussion. And this is the movement for discussion. Hands flat, offering out. You might have noticed during the video workshop that we use stretchy material to cut and divide the space into different layers. If you've got different materials like ribbon or scarves, that can also work.
You can pause the video at any time and try out the ideas.
So what we'd like you to do now is to take those sign words and make them as big as you possibly can. So DJ is going to demonstrate for us now. Link. So notice he is using the same action, linking the fingers, but also he's now inputting that around his body, making connections, and the movement has become bigger. Our second word was together. So the hands were together, forwards and backwards. So the third word that we had was sharing. So you can watch people in the class, and then if you get an idea, maybe you want to jump in or copy an action, you can slow the movement all the way down, and then you can take it as fast as you possibly can. And our fourth and final word was discussion. So that was just an example of how you can develop the movement, making it bigger, exaggerating it, changing the speeds from fast to slow, from soft to hard, and just have fun and play. So we hope you have a great time feeling united, linking together. together and sharing in our discussion.